Hi, everybody. My name is Helen. I live in California. So I've had like chronic genetic ligament hyperflexibility. So I tear things a lot, just doing little things. And I started doing, different regenerative medicine treatments, orthobiologics, maybe 8 years ago in the United States. And I did do a one stem cell treatment in the US last year, but it's so expensive. And I know of people that have gotten stem cells in other countries. I did a lot of research and I was already going to Medellín with friends, and it just worked out that Medellín is the last stop of my trip here. So I did research. Mia's been amazing at answering questions. I'm also in the healthcare field. So I did my research, and the care here is, I feel, so well taken care of. She was with me all day yesterday. I went under sedation. Dr. Reyes is so kind and great to explain with me like what she injected and what was most damaged. I felt, pretty tired yesterday. And I think that stem cells for me personally compared to platelet-rich plasma is so much better in terms of the pain. And I can't say I got it done in my ligament in my shoulder and a ligament in my hip. So it's not like I actually got a joint injected. However, in terms of the pain, it's far, far less. And today I'm just a little tired. I was able to walk around a little bit in my neighborhood in El Poblado, but it's a beautiful setting and all the trees. And now I have a friend that came to visit with me that's thinking about coming here. What I liked about stem cells when I researched them is I found on a blog that, they're very ethical, that they're not going to accept people if they can't actually help their condition. So that made me trust it more. So yes, I highly recommend coming, and I'll be back in a few months to let you know how it went.